breakfast. And that's for today's update. My view. I have nice view here. My milk. And my baby is sleeping. It's his first bath. And this is my meal, my breakfast for today's video, guys. Haggard kikog naong guys, no? Kadi pa mo ko pwede maligo. Pero manrapur ako. O labakara. Basa nga labakara. So, niagas na gyud ang ako ang totoy. Para sa akong baby maka breastfeeding. Best prescribed, recommended by doctors. Of course. This is half-cooked potatoes and rice, egg, then of course banana, and then the sabaw sa lugaw. Of course, milk and water. I need to do the stall today, so that if I can do the stall, we might be recharge. No, we can go out. I mean, go home. Pasensya na sa akong dagway, guys. Wag yung ko'y marag yun nga akong kuhan. Haggard yun kaya akong naong. Kaya itong basa akong lips. Puti. Ng loose pad. Okay, Ren. Madarang yung makeup ikaw niya. So that's the update for today's vlog. I shared video. Ang haggard ang face ko. Parang lumaki yata yung ano. That's my mom. Say hi.
Hi.
So let's continue it, guys. More update later. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you're new to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your love and support.